Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with snow pearls that we have sprinkled in the background. So simply sprinkle it in the background, and you can choose if you'd like to have most of it on one corner of the painting or somewhat evenly spread out throughout the picture. Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm round, special treatment version 2 now adds violet pearls that we sprinkle on the purple areas on the pictures. So sprinkle it on the purple flowers and any of the purple areas that you see, also on her hair except for her face. So place it on any of the purple areas except for her face. Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm rounds, version 3 special treatment now adds periwinkle pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue areas of the picture. So this would be on the blue flowers as well as on her blue hair, and also on some of the blue butterflies. So once again, you can choose which blue areas you would like to highlight with some added glitter and shimmer by placing your periwinkle pearls in those areas.